Hello from Wales! We are on a big road trip through the UK.
We are Annika and Michael and will take you with us on a road trip while we explore some of the UK's top destinations.
We already had 3.5 hours drive so far.
And what a nice surprise here.
That's Lake Vyrnwy or something like that. Yeah, it's super beautiful. Excellent start into our 2.5 weeks big road trip through the UK. As beautiful as this spot is, this is not our first stop. This was just for a little lunch break. The first stop where we're gonna stay 2 nights is gonna be Llanddwyn. And we have to continue our journey now because we already have one activity booked for tonight, which is going to be the Snowdon Railway.
It is a narrow gauge rack and pinion mountain railway that brings you from Llanddwyn up to the top of Mount Snowdon, the highest mountain in Wales. The ride is roughly 45 minutes up while you can enjoy the astonishing landscape.
Yeah, so we're up here. Not quite at the top because the top station is closed, but it's super beautiful here. The view is amazing, and the good thing about Corona is there is almost no people here. Bad thing, we need to plan everything, so we had to book this quite a bit in advance, but it was so worth it.
So what's the conclusion?
Very nice.
Recommendable?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
No, it was great.
A little bit short on the top, but absolutely amazing the view, and for the pictures you can take there, absolutely amazing. When I was checking the hotel, I found out that just next to the hotel there is a pretty cool castle and with an amazing view. It's called Dolbadarn Castle, and I mean, look at that. It's really, really, really cool. And that's just like a 5 minutes walk from our hotel.
That was actually an accommodation for a prisoner who was held hostage here 25 years.
Wow. Day 2 of our road trip, still in Wales, and now we're going to visit Llechwedd. That's a slate mine, and it's the steepest cable car, I think, in the UK.
This is where we go down.
Due to COVID, they made smaller groups, so we arrived a bit early, so we have to wait about 45 minutes. But so we get a coffee. And enjoy the time here. The weather is amazingly beautiful, and the good thing is it's really small groups. So they told us it's only 6 person per group, which is amazing. So one good thing about this.
Ready to rumble.
Yes.
Ready to rumble. Cool. Very cozy in here.
Yeah. 90 seconds, it goes down now.
90 seconds, 500 feet. So that's 152 meters on the ground.
During the tour, we demonstrated the process and the harsh realities of slate mining in the 1800s.
Here was slate of such fine quality that all the citizens of the world were crying out for a Welsh slate roof above its head. Oh, it's no place for any of us, man.
Okay, that was it. Pretty cool experience. And now we go for a hike around Lake Ogwen. Here we are. We decided, instead of just walking around Ogwen, we decided to walk up to another lake, which is called Lake Idwal. It's a bit higher up and you get some nice beautiful views of the area and the mountains around. Hiking around here is definitely worth it. I mean, the scenery is just super amazing. And I'm glad that we chose to do the walk up to Lake Idwal and around there, because I think the scenery is way more beautiful than when you just look down at Lake Ogwen. So another super nice activity. We were again super lucky with the weather. I wouldn't have expected to be that nice all the time. So far, really super impressive and a very positive surprise here in Wales. This is now our last day here in Wales. We are already on the way towards north up to Lake District, but first we made a stop here at the coastline on an island called Llanddwyn Island. So we're doing a little hike now to see a pretty nice lighthouse at the end. So it's about a 1 hour walk there and then 1 hour back. But it's beautiful here. It's a very nice mix between beach and sand dunes and this forest. It really looks beautiful, even though the weather is not as great today as it used to be the last 2 days. But so far, it's actually quite nice walking through the forest. Apparently, this is one of the most romantic places in Wales, and I can really tell why. I mean, even though it's not sunny, it's not sunset, not sunrise, it's so damn beautiful. Patron saint of love. About love, heartbreak, devotion and magic.
No, definitely worth it. Even worth getting up so early.
For our last stop in Wales. Super nice experience. Definitely we have to come back. And finally we still got some sun out today as well, walking along the beach. And the next stop, it's gonna be
Lake District.
Lake District. We're coming.
But that's going to be covered in the next video. Subscribe to not miss when this is ready and uploaded, and until then, stay safe and healthy. Bye bye.